which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solutions graphically. So what they are asking in the question? In the question, they are saying they are given a pair of linear equations and they want us to check whether the given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If the given pair of equations is consistent, then they want us to obtain the solution graphically. Okay. So first problem. The given pair of linear equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So first step, what we have to do? We have to compare these two equations with the standard form of equations. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then we are getting the values of a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1 and c1 is equal to minus 5 and a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 10. Now we have to find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 values. So a1 by a2 which is equal to 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 which is equal to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 which is equal to minus 5 by minus 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Hence, we can clearly observe that the values of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 are equal. Hence, their lines may be coincident. Okay. So now in this case, the equations have infinitely many solutions, that is dependent consistent pair of equations. So in the question what they asked, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So now it's time to obtain or to represent the two equations graphically. So to represent any equation graphically, we require some points. The point is nothing but the coordinates of x and what will be the corresponding value of y when x value is chosen, right? So first equation, x plus y is equal to 5. From that we are writing y value as y is equal to 5 minus x. Now we have to frame a table stating that x value and y value. So if I choose x is equal to 0 and I substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in y is equal to 5 minus x, then I am getting y is equal to 5 minus 0 which is equal to 5. And if we take x is equal to 1, then I am getting y value as y is equal to 4. Then if I take x is equal to 2, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 3. If I take x is equal to 3, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 2. If I take x is equal to 4, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 1. If I take x is equal to 5, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 0. Similarly, we have to find for second equation. Now, if I take x is equal to 0, then from this equation, the value of y becomes y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. So, if I substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in the given expression, y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2, then we are obtaining y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 0, that is 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So, if I am taking x is equal to 1, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 4. If I am taking x is equal to 2, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 3. If I am taking x is equal to 3, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 2. And if I am taking the x is equal to 5, then the corresponding value of y is equal to 0. Now up to now, we are obtaining points for each individual equations. Now we have to plot all the points in a single graph in order to see what is the graphical representation for the two given equations. So if you plot a graph, we can clearly see that here the two line equations, that is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, these two equations are coincident and form a single equation. So here in the graph we can see only one line, that means these two are coincident with one another to form a single line equation. Hence, we can clearly say that if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then these lines may be coincident.